Drug addiction is a serious issue affecting millions worldwide. In this video, we'll discuss how to effectively intervene and support someone struggling with drug addiction. Before approaching someone with a drug addiction, educate yourself about the substances involved, their effects, and the stages of addiction. Understanding the issue will help you provide better support. Approach the individual with empathy and non-judgmental concern. Express your worries about their well-being, focusing on your care for their health and happiness. Let them know you're there to support them in their journey to recovery. Encourage them to seek professional help and offer to assist in finding treatment options. A crucial step is to involve a healthcare professional or addiction specialist. They can assess the situation, recommend appropriate treatment, and provide valuable guidance throughout the recovery process. If the person is resistant to seeking help, consider staging a formal intervention with a trained professional. Gather a group of loved ones to express their concerns and encourage treatment. Help create a drug-free and supportive environment at home. Remove triggers and temptations, and encourage healthy activities and relationships. Therapy, including individual and group counseling, can be instrumental in addiction recovery. Encourage the individual to engage in therapy as part of their treatment plan. Recovery is a challenging journey with setbacks. Be patient, understanding, and non-critical, even when relapses occur. Offer continuous support and encouragement. Intervening in drug addiction requires knowledge, empathy, and professional help. By following these steps and maintaining a supportive attitude, you can make a significant difference in someone's life.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.